gonna take a video?
I'm taking it right now.
Okay, here goes the elephant behind me. Go show.
That's Elephant Jasmine. Uh-oh.
The elephant fall down. And this tiny elephant that my son is a tiger elephant.
So are you going to do the elephant too, Jade? Oh my goodness. What is that?
I'm going to do the tiger. Okay?
I thought you were going to do the elephant.
Jasmine's going to do the elephant.
Uh-oh, here comes the tiger. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, Tiger Jasmine. Jay's going to be a unicorn horse way over there. Oh. Oh, the lion's going after the unicorn horse. And it's a battle. A battle between the unicorn and the tiger. Uh-oh, Jade got hurt. Okay, we say bye.